And so we start this tutorial of GRANDMA2 in English. Today we will see the directions of the effects, how to modify addresses. We had already done it in another tutorial, playing all three options at the same time. But many people have asked for it because they want to. One more explained. Ready? Then here we go. Here we can see here we have. Come on, here we turn on this executor A. Let's turn on the lights. With the following executor, we applied the effect, the circular effect. And with the following executor, we have to prefer here. In these two Q, what we have is the formulas for to make the change of direction. Then if we apply it, then change the direction of the effect to the left and to the right. Ready? Then let's see how you did it. Let's delete all this. Okay. Ready? Then we select a group. We turn on Store. We record here. And we are going to change the Go configuration to a tube. Ready? We clean. Then here, we turn on the machines. Ready? Now we select the group. We are going to eliminate these positions. Let's eliminate everything. Ready? We select the group. We bring you to a position we want. Here, in this position, it is fine. We record this position. Store, we record the position we clean. We select the group. We select the position. And ready? Now we right-click. In an effect, in the first effect, we click on Load by default. Let's go to Pen and to the circle. Store and select the effect. Now we go to Store and record the next executor. Let's exchange for a toggle. We clean. We turn on the machines. We turn on the machines. We turn on the effect. Ready? Then here. And at that moment the effect is only from left to right. So now let's do the address modifiers. Then what we do is clean. We select our group. We give you Store. And we go to an empty executor. We recorded the first Q as nothing. The one we give you again Store. We record the second Q and hit Create Second Q. Ready? Now we enter. And these Q are empty, have no information at all. This is where we are going to record the formulas. So here is where it says CMD. Right-click on it. Ready? We already have here. Then what we are going to do is copy. This way these tapes I left them. I left them in the first fixed comment. Copy. And here we give you Control B. We glued it. This one, the first one, is because it is the numbering of the effects pools, which is the effects are number 1. That next one is because it is the number 1 effect of the effects pool. And the next one is because the line of the effect line. Then, and here A the same. The number 1 effect. The pool number 1 and it is the number 2 already. Then we give Enter. And we already have our first Q. Now we are going to select the second. We give you Copy. The second line. Come on, here we click on it right. Control B. And also, then you saw that here in the second, the little arrow is in the opposite direction. Demos Enter. So that's what changes our direction. This little arrow. We now close. We clean. We turn on the machines. We turn on the effect. There we see that it is from left to right. The first cue is from left to right. Now come on, we give you. Click again. And there we see how the direction is reversed. If we give it again, reverse to the right. And this is how we create effect modifiers. Then let's see what the effect is like here then. The effect has two lines, which are bread and till. Bread is the number 1 line. That would be this one. This one is for the information on this first line. And this 2 from here is for the information to go to this line here. For this second line. Then these 2 lines, this line that I am selecting here belongs to the first line of bread. And this second line belongs to the till line already. Then and here we have the little arrow in one sense for the till panel, and the opposite line for the till panel of the second cue. Then this would be the first. This is the first cue. And this is the second one. That is the explanation for address modifiers. So friends, I hope this video will be very useful to you to conduct their tests. I am going to leave you this show also in the first fixed comment, so that you can download it and make your tests ready if they liked it. And remember to like, subscribe, activate the little bell, and see you in a following tutorial.